guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Moa. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you press that button, subscribe button, and don't forget to turn the notification bell, and don't forget to like and comment about this video. We are on our lesson 5, and lesson 5 I'll be teaching you on how to play Nikupe, nini, I know that tune is familiar to you, and we are going to play that song. And if you haven't watched the previous lesson, just make sure you watch, because I taught a lot on those lessons. So without wasting our time, let's get started to our lesson. So guys, we are on our piano, and as usual we are going to start with our melody. Our melodies of Nikupe, nini, kukupendeza. I don't know the song, but I will try my best to make you understand how you can play the song. So I'm going to start with my scale or playing my melody. My melody is going to be like this. So we start like that. It's just flowing. So we are starting in this D, then G, we go to F sharp, we go to E, then we go to D again, we go to C, we finish at B, our last key. So let me play slowly. Let me play with one finger so that you can see what I'm playing. Then we go to the next part. We are going to play. We are going to start now from this B. You listen. Then we go not into tutorial. So you combine those two parts. You go like this. So the scale is going like this, the full scale. Now you are supposed to play like this. You can practice that part so that you can be able to understand it. Then after that we are going to our chords, our right hand chords. Then we are going to finish with the left hand. So our chord is going to be like this. We are going to start from G. So the first part is going to be like this from G. Play like this. Part we are going to play like that. So you listen. So we are going to reach there. So combine the two parts. So you repeat like that until the song ends. So now we are going to welcome our right hand. So our right hand, as I told you on the other lesson, I told you that when you are holding G on this side, make sure the other side is G. When you are holding C, make sure is C. When you are holding D, make sure is D. So let's combine our melody, our chords. First let us play our chord with our right hand and left hand. So we are going to play like this. Understand? Repeat the same thing, and now let's combine our right hand, our left hand, and then we are going to combine with our beat later. So let's start. You start like this. Now after that we are going to welcome our kick like this. I'm going to use today I'm going to use a tempo of 111. So let's play this with our beat, with our melody, our chords, and our right hand and left hand, and then we are going to finish our tutorial for today. We are going to meet on the next tutorial. Let us play. For watching this video, and I tell you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and we shall meet on the next lesson. The next lesson I'll be teaching you on how to play another Swahili song. Thank you guys, my name is Fred Moa. Till the other video, thank you and God bless you.